Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make tulle flowers for Valentine's Day or any other day. For these flowers we need some triangles. I cut a 6-inch square, then cut the square in 4ths to get these triangles. You'll also need a needle and thread in a matching color. Because this tulle is such a pale blue, I'm using 3 layers for each petal. Fold the ends of the triangle towards the middle. Fold the tulle in half. Then fold the sides towards the middle again. With your needle and thread, make a few stitches in the bottom of the petal to hold it in place. I also like to wrap the thread around the base of the petal and knot it to give the petal a more rounded shape. Repeat these steps to make 5 more petals for a total of 6. Take your needle and a long piece of thread and thread through the base of each of the petals. Tie the ends of the thread together in a knot. Flip out the petals as needed and your flower is complete. For our roses we'll need a long strip of tulle. Mine is 32 inches long and 6 inches wide. Fold the tulle in half long ways. Do a couple stitches at the end of your tulle to hold the thread in place. Then sew long running stitches in and out along the folded edge of the tulle. When you reach the end, pull on the thread to gather the tulle. Do a few stitches at the end to secure the thread. Next, hold one corner of the folded edge of the tulle and roll the folded edge around this corner until you reach the end of the strip. With your needle and thread, do a few stitches across the base of the flower. Fluff out the petals at the top of the flower and your rose is done. You can roll the tulle loosely for a more open rose like this, or roll tightly for a more traditional rose like this one. For our last flower, you'll need circles of tulle in 3 different sizes. Mine are 6, 4, and 2 inches in diameter. Light a candle and hold the middle of each tulle circle with a pair of tweezers. Hold the tulle above the candle until the edges start to crinkle. Repeat this for all of your circles. You'll want a few layers of each size of circle. Here I'm using 3 layers of each size. Stack the layers on top of each other, biggest to smallest. Then hold the circles together with the pin. Use 2 little stitches to sew the circles to each other. Remove the pin and cut off the excess thread. And here are the finished flowers. I attached some floral wire to the bottom of my flowers by threading it through the tulle, and I put them in this cute little vase. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time!